Hi everyone, I am Mohammed. We are the Dvina team. I am here today with Cemhan and Emirhan.
Hi.
Hello everyone. Everybody wants AI platforms to be safer, smarter, and more connected. But most existing solutions fall short. Third-party integrations are limited and complicated. User privacy is hardly a priority. Outputs are often incorrect. Processing large datasets is challenging, leading to errors and limitations. That's why we built Dvina, world's most connected and private AI platform. It provides seamless integrations with more than 80 applications. Every result is transparent, traceable, and always verifiable. Privacy is not an add-on. It's built into Dvina by design. Dvina handles massive datasets effortlessly, overcoming context limitations. In short, Dvina brings enterprise-grade privacy and security not just to regulated industries, but to everyone, including individuals.
Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for listening.